everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure to go and press the like and subscribe buttons down below, and also turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So what's happening today? We're going to be seeing what the silage is like for 2021, as we have to open the silage club. So we're going to take off the tires here and then open it and see what it's like. So we're only going to open like a quarter of it. So as you can see behind me, there's the silage clump. So from that wall to those like set-in pillar things. So we're only going to open a quarter of it, see where the tires are off, as we don't really need to open the full front bit, as we're not feeding that much, because the dry cows don't eat a lot as they're in the field for an hour or two a day, and also there's not very many dry cows in. So we're just going to take this off and see what it's like. Hopefully it'll be good. So as you can see behind me, we've opened the clamp pretty good. Our biggest fear probably was that up along the sides there was going to be a bits of mould on at the front, because you wouldn't have been able to compact them as well, because you can't really get the tractor to compact that as well. And same to the sides, you can't get too close. So that's actually pretty good. It's turned out quite nice. So this is first cut silage. So yeah, it's a nice golden colour, which is good. And hopefully that'll be good, and hopefully there's no bits of mould up that side. But yeah, we opened the whole crop a wee while ago, and we're feeding it to the dry cows. So I'll just show you what it's like. So here's the whole crop. As you can see, this is the whole crop. Nice colour, smells good. Yes, quite good. The only problem with this is the silage on top is absolutely terrible. So there's too much nitrogen in the grass when we cut this, so it didn't ferment properly. So that's why it's kind of gone that bad colour there. And also we haven't been using this wee bit of silage very quickly, so the warm air's got to it and also caused it to go horrible colour, and just a lot of it's waste. The reason why we're putting water in the mix for the dry cows is it's because the moisture that they're getting is like haylage and whole crop, and both of those are quite dry. So if you put that all in, they wouldn't eat very much of they wouldn't eat very much. But if you put water in, it kind of makes it more moist, so it'll be nicer for them to eat, and they'll eat more of it. So yeah, it's like you couldn't eat lots of cream crackers because they're quite dry, but if you had a bit of water or milk or something with it, it would be a lot. You could eat more. So these are dry cows behind me, and they're the one. This is the pen that is closest to calving. So there's 4 in here at the moment, but there'll probably be a lot more. So they're on the they're in the feed that I just showed you, and these are the ones that are going to calve very soon. They're not in with the other ones because if they're the closest to calving and they're in a straw bin in case they calve, but the other ones are on slab. going to calve after the ones in the straw pen. So they're on the silage, whole crop, a bit of water to keep their food moist, and also a few nuts. And this is them here. They're all looking nice and they're going to calve in the next few weeks. But you may have noticed behind me there's also a few more cows. These are the cows that have calved and they're on a slightly different feed. They're on silage and a few other things. But I won't say too much because I'm going to do a video later on in the year when all the cows have calved and all the cows are inside. We're all getting the same food, and I'll do a video on what they're getting because to last year they're getting quite a few different things. Example, the grain they're getting in their food, which they didn't have last year. But if you want to go and check out what food they did get last year, it's quite simple, just a bit of whole crop, just some silage and a few nuts. That's really all they got. Yeah, but if you want to go and check that out, I think it's called What We Feed Our Cows. But this year it's going to be a bit different, and we're going to do it a bit differently and feed them different things to hopefully increase the milk and how good the milk is. Thanks for watching everyone, and that's been me, the dry cows, the cows that have calved, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!